What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Jasmy, which I had to make a video on. I mean, I haven't covered this in a while, even though we got a significant bullish breakout, and to be honest, I've also been watching Jasmy daily and analyzing it, and we've talked about it in the chat room of the premium group. So my attention has been with Jasmy, but I just didn't make a video on that. I'm not sure why, but here I am. All right, we're going to do an analysis. I have a pretty clear opinion on Jasmy right now, on what I expect, or at least what the different possibilities are. So I'll explain those to you. I'll explain my analysis at least. That's what we'll do. We'll do a little bit of an overview of the market structure. We'll talk a bit about fundamentals, but probably not too much. But before we dive into that, and before we do a deep dive into Jasmy, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades, like for example also on Jasmy, if I do. But you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my trading guide if you would actually want to analyze and trade like me. So if you're interested in that, consider joining. The links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. So now on to Jasmy. So Jasmy has actually been showing quite a lot of bullish momentum, I would say, ever since that Jasmy chain was announced. I do think that obviously that caused more bullish momentum, but apart from that, it started around that point of time. And then ever since, it has been bullish, even though the market has been quite bearish in that same period of time, leading me to believe that there is some sort of manipulation going on. Like there's also a lot of volume coming from BitTrue, SuperX, BitFi, which usually if relatively a lot of volume comes from those exchanges, there's at least some sort of manipulation going on. So I also think that's the case right now. But in Jasmy's case, I would actually say that's bullish, because it doesn't necessarily mean that it's bullish or bearish. It just means that it's a little bit more unpredictable. And now what we've seen, especially with that bullish breakout above the 0.618 fib for Jasmy, is that technically it's just bullish. It just is, all right? So right now, like the most important level for Jasmy is this level, all right? Which is between the 0.618 fib, and then we have this support right here with the trend line with the 200 EMA around, well, let's say at 0.00365. A little bit below there, but that area. This is our main support, all right? And at this point of time, it looks most likely that Jasmy will find support here, perhaps consolidate a little bit longer here, but eventually actually break above its main resistance now, which is around 0.38.5 cents, so 0.00385. And then it will break above that, find some resistance at 0.4 cents, but then take that bullish break retest and get up towards like 0.41 cents. This technically looks most likely right now. All right, it's a bit risky to say, because like I said, the market around Jasmy right now is far from bullish, and it would definitely not support something like this. So even though this is the most likely scenario, I would say if you're going to take a trade based on this, it's going to be quite risky, because for example, today we have some economic events, and just in general, if Bitcoin gets some sort of a crash here and Jasmy fails to hold that level around 0.36 cents as support, and it breaks down below that, then the bullish market structure is gone. Jasmy will drop back down to 0.35 and 0.34 cents, and it will just be neutral and consolidating again. So this is a realistic possibility due to the circumstances in the entire market. But if we're focusing on only Jasmy, then this looks like the most likely scenario. So yeah, that's my full analysis on Jasmy. That's what I wanted to say about it. If you do want to discuss it, anything, let me know down in the comments. But for now, that's my take on it. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.